Welcome everybody to this grand opening of our Customer Experience Lab. As you might expect, a company like Nextivity always would have a lab. Our investment in lab technology and lab assets have tended to be on the product development side. And as an emerging and growing OEM, it gives me and the entire team at Nextivity immense pleasure to be able to launch this customer experience version of our product lab, aimed primarily at making our partners more effective and optimized from a time investment point of view, and therefore more profitable. This lab will be used for a diverse number of applications that would incorporate training, obviously, and customer support. So with that being said, it gives me great pleasure again to cut this ribbon.
Hi everyone. Really excited to be here in our Customer Experience Lab today. It's really so awesome to be able to stand here and to look at all the products that our engineering team has taken a number of years to work on. I'm really excited to see our Quattro Red product right next to our Cel-Fi Quattro 4000 product, and to have it here in our Customer Experience Lab. We've taken a lot of time and effort to really focus on putting everything in the customer lab that you will see when you're in the field, and giving our support people and our solution architects all of the tools that they need to be able to really help you with any problem that you may have in the field, and to be able to provide a level of training that's even better than what we've done in the past. So we're looking forward to seeing some of you in the lab personally. Those of you that won't be able to attend any of the training sessions in the lab, we're looking forward to seeing you via webinars. I think it's going to be a really exciting time to be able to experience all that the Cel-Fi brand products have to offer. So very excited, looking forward to seeing you here.
So welcome to the Consumer Experience Lab for Innovation. My name is Victor Mejia. I'm product manager here at Nextivity, and I'm very excited to have a space like this where customers and partners and everybody who wants to learn a little bit more about our technology and Cel-Fi products can come in here and put hands on things like the Quattro Red equipment we have here. We have everything integrated. We have the atmosphere panel, we have the remote units, we have a network unit, and obviously we have the MBBU as well, along with some other accessories like compass, and you can visit us here and play and work and troubleshoot and do whatever you want with equipment, just like you will do in real life. We also have a set here of the Quattro product line. We have Quattro 4000, Quattro 1000, 2000, along with accessories for the small cell integration with Quattro as well. And we have also the range extenders. So everything you will be able to do here will be able to do also on the fields in the real world. And we have also the Go's here. These are one of the best-selling products here. We have them a stationary version, the mobile version, and of course we have the FirstNet version of Go as well. So I want to extend an invitation to everybody who wants to visit us here. And this is a safe environment where you can do whatever you want here. You can study, learn about the products, and of course, you will get certified in the best way possible. So come on and visit us.
Welcome everybody. We're going to use this lab to provide training for all of our customers. Also, we're going to leverage these equipments here on the wall behind me to simulate any problem that the customer may have in the field, and also to provide a hands-on in-class instructor-led training or virtual training. So the customer actually will be able to see whatever exactly in the GUI, and you can log into the GUI and see all the modification and all the pieces that we can modify in the GUI to optimize the performance of the system.
Welcome to our Customer Experience Lab for Innovation. We are looking forward to providing Tier 3 level support, whether it's on Go, Quatra, or our Quatra Red products. Our support team is more than happy and ready to walk you through any support processes using our new Customer Experience Lab for Innovation.